In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to scan your Apple mobile device for spyware using Certo iPhone. First, open the Certo application from your computer. Next, connect your Apple device to your computer using the USB cable and head over to iTunes. Now, go ahead and create a backup of your device in iTunes. This could take a few minutes if your device is quite full. When that's finished, head back over to Certo and click OK. Now, select the backup you just created and click Scan. Certo will now perform a scan to check if your device has been jailbroken and if any spyware is installed. Now, this may take a few minutes to complete. When complete, Certo will display the results of your scan grouped into 3 categories. First, whether any spyware has been detected. Second, if your device is jailbroken. In this example, the device is jailbroken and has spyware installed. The third result shown is the App Permissions check. Click Review Apps to see the results of this check in more detail. Here, you can see a full list of apps that have access to your location, microphone, or camera. Certo will also highlight any known tracking apps in this list. If you want to save the results of your scan, you have the option to generate a PDF report, or you can go ahead and scan another device. And it's as simple as that. If you're concerned someone might have installed spyware on your iPhone or iPad, scan it today with Certo.